Welcome to our tutorial on the cylinder command. I'm going to activate the cylinder command. The cylinder surface definition window opens. The first thing to do is select the origin point. Next, we're prompted to select a direction. I'm going to select the Z-axis. And here is a preview of our cylinder. Our radius, length 1 and length 2 parameters are adjustable. We can drag the handles in the workspace. Or we can enter values directly into the value fields in the definition window. Length 1 and 2 can have negative values. This basically means that length 1 is in the opposite direction of length 2 and vice versa. I can press here to reverse the direction. I can also change the direction with a right click. Let's use the Y-axis instead. When we're finished, press OK. And this concludes our tutorial on the cylinder command.